Hello, Minglaba. My name is Titinho. I'm working as the managing director for Burma News International. Burma News International is a media network where we have 15 independent media outlets, and that they mostly are local and ethnic media. There's only one national media as our members. So they are telling the stories of what is happening in their region, especially their current affairs and the fighting, the conflict, and the human rights abuses. So they've been amplifying the voices of the people. So that what our members are doing daily. Discussions that is organized by the International IDEA is really good. It gives us lots of reflections around what is happening when it comes to democracy in the region and also globally, not just the region. We all kept saying that democracy backsliding. And then we also talk about the innovative ways of resilience, especially democratic resilience. But when it comes to Myanmar, it is a different story. For us, it's like we have this military coup, and then we have daily airstrikes, and then that is targeted to the civilians, and the people are living with fear. When it comes to human rights, the people of Myanmar are losing every fundamental rights. So for us, it's like we have to have different stories and different solutions. From this military coup, we have to completely end the militarizations and then to have a democratic society where all our people can enjoy. So I see that it is good to learn from many of our neighboring countries and regionally and also globally their experiences. There are different stories regarding constitutional reform, and also like a corruption court, an independent constitutional court, and then how they nominate it. We talk about that. So I hope that in one day, our Myanmar will be able to also talk about that kind of issues, and then also be able to have a democracy that every one of us can enjoy and then can live peacefully. Thank you.